Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start the LG ThinQ washer. Okay, so what you simply have to do is that you load your clothes here on the bottom, and then you simply just press the washer button, which is right over here, and then you can choose a setting from normal, heavy duty, bedding, speed wash, delicates, or you can do a downloaded preset. I don't really have any downloaded presets. So for example, if I just do a normal setting, you can see that the settings actually change here, and so with it you could actually change the temperature of the water by clicking on it. So we'll just leave it back in the middle. You can change the spin cycle to it as well. You can change the soil level of it, but I'd say mostly what I do is I just normally do just normal wash and bedding wash. Speed wash on rare occasions just because I don't really, maybe sometimes I'll have to wash in a very quick manner. But with it, once you're done and ready, you simply just press the start button and go ahead and start washing it. Once you do start washing it, you're going to see a timer. Like as you can see here is the dryer timer where it says it has 19 minutes. And so once you actually do start it, you'll see a timer countdown. Unlike other washers or kind of like old washers which don't have that feature included with it. But that is essentially how to start the washer on your LG ThinQ washer. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually start it, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.